I've got a big load today. First up is a box from England. And why did I order it from England is because I wanted this set, which apparently they don't sell over in the US anymore. But they had it over at Space NK. And what it is this handy dandy bag, which is cute. That's really cute. And the dogs can use this for retrieves, along with 5 of their lip and cheeks champions. So that's what I had to search for, was Milk Champion, Dash, Quirk, Flip, maybe Poppy, and Werk, W-E-R-K. Now I have this one, so this is a duplicate, so it'll just go in overstock or Christmas presents, because I've started Christmas shopping. One of the things I've heard is they don't have a lot of product in them, but guys, you know, like, it's not the truth, right? The product that you have in here, you have to look at either by ounces or grams, and then you compare it to some of the others that have just bigger packaging, and sometimes this has more in it. So it's not just the price, right? It is how many grams, how many ounces. And then I also ordered this because to get the free shipping, or I'd have to pay $8 in shipping, I had to order a little bit more. So I ordered this. Now I already have the Werk, remember, a second Werk, well, third Werk, I guess, lit, which I have also, and baked. So I have all 3 of these already, but I don't have the mascara. It's a deluxe sample size of their Elevate, the tubing mascara. And I have not tried a tubing mascara, and I have wanted to try a tubing mascara.